Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can generate a color system in Figma using the Material Theme Builder plugin. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, we need to log into our Figma account, and once logged in, click on the project that we want to work on. Once inside your project, go to the bottom panel and click on Actions. Then, click on Plugins and Widgets, and then we're going to search for Material Theme plugin. Click on it, and then click on Run. Wait for it for a few seconds, and here it is. To start, you're simply gonna select Create Theme, and then you can start customizing your own theme that you can use for your Figma project. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!